Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SiteGround affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the SiteGround affiliate program, first, visit the SiteGround website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate program link and click on it. You will be directed to their affiliate program overview page. Read through the information to understand the benefits and commission structure. Next, click on the Join Now button to create your affiliate account. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Make sure to use a valid email address as this will be your primary contact for communications. After submitting your registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to activate your affiliate account. Once activated, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find your unique referral links to promote SiteGround services. Take your time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools available. Next, choose the services you would like to promote. Copy your unique referral link for those services. Promote these links through your website, blog, or social media channels. Track your performance through the dashboard to see your clicks and conversions. Make sure to comply with SiteGround's affiliate program policies. If you have any questions, refer to the support section in your dashboard. This will guide you through any challenges you may face. Once you start earning commissions, you will see the payout structure outlined in your dashboard. Regularly check your account for updates and news related to the affiliate program. That's it. You are now ready to start promoting and earning with SiteGround. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.